Welcome to our Want Paella channel. I'm Jay, and today we're cooking the foie and ribs paella. The ingredients for the foie and ribs paella are paella rice, onion and garlic, chopped tomatoes, foie, pork ribs, and mushrooms. Also, we're gonna be adding our chicken stock. So, let's start making this foie and ribs paella. First, let's cook our foie. Let's leave that cooking for a bit. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with all your friends. Let's bring that foie out for now. wantpaella.eu, where not only we have a paella blog, but we also sell paella pans, paella burners, spices, beer, wine, and much more. So, don't miss out and come visit us at wantpaella.eu. Let's add our pork ribs. Let's add the onion and the garlic. Let's add our chopped tomatoes. Let's add our pure saffron. Let's add our paella mix, half an envelope. And let's add half a teaspoon of paprika. Something like that. Let's mix it in. Let's add 300 grams of paella rice because we're making 3 portions. Let's mix it in. Let's add 900 milliliters of chicken stock. Slowly. And let's bring our paella burner up to 100%. Full power. Something like that. And let's bring back those pork ribs into the paella. Let's add our mushrooms. Okay, this is almost coming to a boil. Looking good, guys. Let's bring that foie back into the paella. Let's shake it a bit to mix it in. Oh, okay, that should be plenty. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different plate. Here, for instance. Okay, that rice is around 75%, so we're gonna leave it cooking for a bit more. dry the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. Here, for instance, let's see. Okay, our rice is around 80%. We're gonna bring our paella burner power down to 30%. Something like that until the end of the paella in around 2-3 minutes. Okay, I'm turning off the paella burner as we speak. I'm gonna give it the last shake and I'm gonna bring it to our kitchen counter. Okay guys, so we have our pork ribs and foie paella. I'm gonna serve it on our plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, I'm gonna serve our pork ribs and foie paella. Bit of mushrooms. And a bit of foie. That looks delicious. Okay guys, if you want to check out these recipes and more, don't forget to visit us at wantpaella.eu. Thank you and see you soon.